In this video, we're going to show you something truly game-changing. How you can connect Lead Notifi directly to an AI assistant like Claude using something called an MCP, or Model Context Protocol. This means you can control your entire WhatsApp business operations just by talking to AI. No manual clicking, just natural conversation. Let's get started. Here we can see the Lead Notifi inbox. 1,317 active WhatsApp chats, all in one place. You can see a conversation with Mira Fashion already open. A message about silk saris was sent, and there are interactive reply buttons at the bottom. This is the kind of engagement Lead Notifi makes possible. Now, what if instead of doing all of this manually, you could simply tell an AI to do it for you? This is where the magic begins. We're inside Lead Notifi's settings, specifically the API keys section. Notice the tab that says MCP keys. Lead Notifi has built native MCP support, which means it can talk directly to AI assistants like Claude, ChatGPT, and Cursor. We've just created a new MCP key. You can see it here, a secure token that starts with MCP_live_. This key is your bridge between Lead Notifi and AI. And below it, you can see the connection URL that you'll paste into Claude. It's that simple. Now we're over in Claude, specifically in the Customize section under Connectors. We're clicking Add Custom Connector, and you can see the dialog box. It asks for a name and a remote MCP server, URL. This is where we paste the Lead Notifi MCP URL. We just copied. This is a one-time setup. Once it's connected, Claude gains access to all of Lead Notifi's tools. And you never have to touch this again. Look at this. Once Lead Notifi MCP is connected to Claude, Claude now has access to dozens of powerful tools. You can see them listed here. Check contact window, create AI assistant, create business rule, create canned reply, create contact, create native flow, create tag, create WhatsApp template, delete agent, delete bot flow, and many more. Every single action you could do manually inside Lead Notifi, Claude can now do for you just from a conversation. This is the full power of MCP integration. All right, let's see this in action. We're now in a fresh Claude chat. The user types: send a greeting message, watch what happens. Claude doesn't just respond, it actually works. It searches the available tools, identifies the right ones from the Lead Notifi MCP, finds the contact Mira Fashion with contact ID 3371, checks whether the 24-hour WhatsApp messaging window is open, and then sends the message. Claude confirms, sent. Your greeting went out to Mira Fashion on WhatsApp. That's it. One natural language instruction. Claude handled the contact lookup, the window check, and the message delivery, all automatically. No manual steps required. Now the user types. Yesterday, we sent some product to Mira Fashion. Ask them for confirmation with options. This is more complex. An interactive WhatsApp message with quick reply buttons. Let's see Claude handle it. It immediately understands the context and sends a confirmation message to Mira Fashion with 3 interactive buttons: yes, confirm, need more info, and not interested. The customer can simply tap one to respond. Claude confirms the delivery and explains they can just tap one to respond. This is the kind of intelligent, context-aware messaging that would normally take several minutes to set up manually. With MCP, it took seconds. The user now asks, show me top 10 contacts to whom I message. Claude searches the available tools and realizes it can't rank by total message count directly, but it intelligently pivots and offers the most useful alternative: the top 10 most recently messaged contacts. It calls the list contacts tool and returns a clean table. contact names, last message timestamps, and message types. You can see the data right there. And Claude goes further. It flags something important. Mira Fashion is the only genuinely conversational contact. The other 9 are all from a bulk CSV import that sent the same Sampurna real estate welcome template to everyone, all still showing processing status. Claude even notices duplicate contact names in the list. Now, for something even more powerful. The user asks Claude to make a WhatsApp template, a monsoon sale offer with a flat discount, personalized name variable, and quick reply buttons. Claude asks 2 clarifying questions right there in the chat. What discount amount? And what kind of button should it include? The user responds, flat amount off, and quick reply with shop now and stop promotions. Watch Claude go to work. It searches for the template creation tool, finds it in the Lead Notifi MCP, and builds the template. The result? A complete WhatsApp-approved template called monsoon_sale_offer. With a personalized greeting using the customer's name, variable, a monsoon season message, a flat rupee discount placeholder, and 2 quick reply buttons, shop now and stop promotions. Claude then explains that the template is now pending Meta approval, which usually takes a few minutes to a few hours. Once approved, it can be sent to any contact, segment, or list. This template was created entirely through conversation. No form filling, no manual template builder, just talking to Claude. We switch over to Lead Notifi to confirm. And there it is, the template library. The new monsoon sale template appears right alongside the existing ones. The platform shows categories like awareness, e-commerce, greetings, and sales. And the template Claude just created is now sitting in the library, ready for meta review. This confirms that Claude isn't just simulating actions. It's actually creating real data inside your Lead Notifi account in real time. Now for the most impressive demo. The user types. Make a bot for customers regarding our clothing brand. Claude doesn't just create a generic bot. It first asks about the business context. It then pulls real product data from Mira Fashion's previous message history. Using this real data, Claude generates an entire bot flow and saves it to Lead Notifi. The flow includes a keyword trigger that activates on words like hi, hello, menu, and products. A welcome message from Mira Fashion. An interactive product catalog showing the full sari collection with real prices. An order confirmation step, order tracking, and a support handoff to the human team. We can verify this directly inside Lead Notifi's Flow Builder, and there it is. The Mira Fashion Sari Catalog bot is fully built, with every node correctly wired, keyword trigger, interactive media with product list, confirmation messages, order tracking, and support escalation. All connected. Claude saved it as a draft first, so the user can review it before going live. When the user is ready, they can enable it with one click, and it activates. 1330 to 1500. The bot goes live, enabled in Lead Notifi. And just like that, the bot is enabled. You can see the toggle has switched to enabled right there in the Lead Notifi dashboard. The Mira Fashion Sari Catalog bot is now live and ready to respond to any customer who messages with the trigger keyword demo. The user asks Claude to create a brand new contact. Name A22 with a specific phone number. Claude searches for the contact creation tool, finds it, and creates the contact instantly. We verify inside Lead Notifi's contacts section. And there is contact A22, created just seconds ago with source listed as MCP, timestamp today, with the exact phone number provided. The contact is live in the system with 1,318 total contacts now. So there you have it. In one single Claude conversation, we Sent a plain WhatsApp message to a customer. Sent an interactive message with quick reply buttons. Pulled a smart list of recent contacts with AI analysis. Created a WhatsApp template, ready for Meta approval. Built a complete multi-step chatbot flow using real product data. And created a new contact, all without touching the Lead Notifi dashboard manually. This is the future of WhatsApp marketing. Lead Notifi MCP brings the full power of your business tools directly into AI, so you can move faster, work smarter, and focus on what matters most, your customers. To get started, visit Lead Notifi. Generate your